Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Dravit Grey Metallic with the black Sensafin interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i. I've just pressed unlock on the key there, so we've got the headlight welcoming animation coming on. And it's a little bit bright, but the kidney grille is also lit up there with the iconic glow. So let me just do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And I see we've got some black 742M wheels on there, which always look good. So now that we have this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Dravit Grey Metallic. Today's a little bit overcast, so the car is looking extra gray right now. But if you take a look at where the light's hitting it, like right here, you can definitely see the amber flake shining through. The effect would obviously be much greater if there was sunlight instead of these pot lights from the ceiling. But this color is really awesome and is one of my favorite BMW colors. You can see that we've got the lines coming down on the hood lengthwise. We've got the BMW Rondelle up front and center. So I hope you enjoy this one while it's here. We will soon be shifting over to the new design. And we have here the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats, and these are active grille shutters behind here. We also have the front-facing camera. Front plate bracket is on. We've got the radar down here, more active grille shutters down here at the bottom, and we have some functional air going on either side into the intercoolers, oil coolers, and the brake duct area, and of course for aerodynamics as well. So let's get those headlights back on and take a closer look at them. So these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. We've got these intricate triangle patterns all over, and it's the double chevron design, and you got some little triangles down here that don't actually illuminate, but they just reflect the light that's shining from the actual headlamps, and looks real nice, especially with the iconic glow kidney grille. So if you come around to the side here, of course, this is the M Sport design, so we do have the body-colored over fenders. These are the 22-inch double-spoke 742M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake there. We also have this design on the fender on the X5. And if I take a little step back, you can see the side profile of this beautiful sports activity vehicle. And we also have welcome light carpet illuminates from the rocker panel. We also have the body-colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and the side camera here. And up top, we have the panoramic sunroof with the black roof rails. We also have the black window surrounds, and this car was also tinted 35%. And we've got these nice body lines going up into the rear door handle, another one that comes down from that thing on the fender, and a little bit up into the rear door. There's your rear 22-inch 742M wheel with the red caliper. We have the Hofmeister kink here, new style antenna. We also have the spoiler up top and rear wiper arm. We have the X-shaped tail lights here, which will animate on for us like that. And if you take a closer look at them while they're on, you have more of those little triangular patterns, and BMW is lit up on the side here as well. We have the horizontal reflectors on each side. We also have the freeform exhaust. This one does have the optional tow hitch package from factory with a tow capacity of 7,200 pounds. And I've got the key with me, so I'm just going to press and hold the button. If you have the tow hitch, it does delete the kick, so don't attempt it. You may hurt your shin. So once this opens up, you'll see that we have the upper tailgate up. I've programmed it so the lower tailgate stays closed, just so if you're on an incline and you have something round, we don't want it to accidentally fall out. We have the cargo cover here to hide your contents. There's a single button here that allows you to remove the cargo cover. And down here you'll see that we also have some storage space, carpeted mats. There's a tire inflator kit over there, which tells me that this has non-run flat tires, 2 wheel lock keys, tow hook, and here's the button for the lower tailgate portion. And had you taken the cargo cover out, it can be stored in this section right here. Now if I bring this back down, you'll see that we have a 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, another grocery bag hanger here, and if I take this off, you can see the air inflator kit and the tire sealant canister over there. And now that we've completed looking back here, up here there's a button to close, another one to close and lock, so we'll just press close for now, and we can get this to close the hands-free way. Now if I go over to the passenger side, you'll see we have the fuel cap door here. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click to open the cap. There's a spot to put it while you refuel, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click, and you can shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open up the rear door here, you'll see that we have the manual sunshades. We also have the nice stitching going across the door panel. We have this piece here, door pull, window switch. We have some ambient light. A speaker is here. This is the open pore wood trim. We also have a pocket down here with some ambient light. We have the illuminating aluminum M dorsal. We have the black Sensafin interior with the headrests that flip up on the 2 outer positions. There's also an armrest in the center here with storage, cup holders, and once this is down, you can find the string to pull for the pass-through. And up top, you'll see that we have the Sky Lounge sunroof, so ambient light color will also display sunroof. And we also have, on the shoulder, fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. On the back of each front seat, accessory port with USB Type-C. There's a bit of ambient light here, pockets. These are the aftermarket winter mats. There's more vents and some illumination from below. We also have on the back of the center console some vents. We have heated seats in the 2 outer positions. We also have the storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's also a 12-volt plug at the bottom. And we also have a handle on each side with the coat hanger and the lights. On the back of the B-pillar, there is another coat hanger, and there's another vent down here as well. So now that we've had a chance to look back here, let's shut this door. And we'll go open the front door next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that up. So we have the, oh my gosh, so dark. We have the door panel here with the stitching going across. We have the door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, memory for passenger and massage for passenger. There's the ambient light, speaker, door pockets. And then down here we have the aluminum M dorsal that it's illuminating. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Have a look at those nice comfy seats. And over here, open pore wood trim, soft touch materials with stitching going across, X5 interaction light bar. Vents can close, open, and you can direct where they're blowing. Glove box down here which illuminates, which can also be locked. We have the curved display here with iDrive 8.5. Down here we also have the vents here. If I open that up, you'll see that we also have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. And these cup holders are heated and cooled. We also have your iDrive controller. There's a bit of padding going across the side. And if I put a USB Type-C charging port in there. So let's shut all this and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we open the driver door, inside you can see the windows were just tinted, but we do have the window controls there. I'm just gonna press that so only the driver controls the windows. And we're also gonna have the side mirror controls here, tailgate release, memory, massage, and that little chair with the number 2 is so the driver's seat controls control the passenger side. We also again have the illuminating aluminum M dorsal. We also have the M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. And we also have the head-up display here. This one features good old-fashioned regular cruise control. And up top, you can see we've got some reading lights and SOS for roadside. You have some buttons here for your garage door openers. And if I just go ahead and press this, you see we have a 360 cam. So this does have all the self-parking, so automatic front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. And up here we also have the visor that comes down. When you open the mirror, the light turns on. It can also come out, it can also extend. We also have the microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth, a handle on each side at the top. So now that we've seen that, let's look down here. We have a storage compartment, exterior lighting controls. Here's your pedals, and here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo, 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have 4 strut bars up here under the hood, positive battery terminals here, negative battery terminals there, washer fluids over here, and up top, 2 latches under a BMW hood. So this is not soft closed like the rest of the doors, so you'll have to bring it down and send it. Beautiful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And I think the X5 looks really great, and Dravit Grey is an excellent color for this vehicle. At night, it looks pretty well black, and in the day, you can see that it's gray. And in the day with sunlight, you can see the beautiful amber metallic flake. And since we're back here, the key says, or you gotta press 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is the remote engine start, cold start sound. And you can hear that it's started off from the hybrid motor, the mild hybrid motor. And when I come to the front here, I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3 again to shut it down. And it might need some air, it might not, let's see. No, it didn't have it running long enough, so the active grille shutters didn't open. But that's okay. So how do you like this vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Dravit Grey Metallic with the black Sensafin interior. We have M Sport on here with the 742M wheels. How do you like the spec? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.